Today, I'll show you how to send calibration coefficients to the screen. First, open the software and click Brightness Coefficient Maintenance. Enter the password 100-1x28, click on Screen Size, then modify the screen dimensions to match the actual size of the screen. In this demonstration, the screen size is width 1920, height 1080. After making the changes, click Get Screen Information. Import the calibration coefficients by clicking Import All. Once successfully imported, send the updated calibration coefficients to all receiving cards. After sending, set the calibration option to enable Receiving Card Brightness Calibration. At this point, the screen is in a calibrated state.